Hello, Namaskar to everyone. Myself Suman speaking for Krishna Pulse Hyderabad. Welcome to all the viewers who are already watching our live program and requesting rest of them also please join with us as early as possible. Our company is established in 1983, so we have huge jewelry experience in this industry. Our company's motto is customer satisfaction rather than earning profits. We believe customer is God. Our company meaning is quality, trust, customer services and reasonable prices. Today I bring in front of you some beautiful pearl sets collections with earring combination, base is with silver. First we will see the overview, then I will explain each and every product clearly. This is first set with 4 lines and brooches, and second with button shape pearls, simple brooch. This is one more flat pearls, 5 lines, beautiful set with multicolor stones, and one more with Nizam style green and pearl. So one more is the choker style with looks like diamond choker. This is with C-jets, simple neck choker with earrings. This is one more beautiful pearl choker with jali work. Inside is total nylon silk thread with simple multi-purpose use earrings. So before explaining each and every product, I will tell my company's brand name and brand address. Our company name is Krishna Pulse. This is located Jubilee Hills Road number 36, just 100 meters away from the Jubilee Hills metro station, on the way to Peddamma temple and opposite to the Beyond coffee shop. So we have a video call shopping facility is also available. That number is 92480-36721. Once again I am repeating, 92480-36721. If you want any queries or related designs videos, then please call this number. So we have an international shipping is also available, that to all over world major countries total free. If it is in India, we are not charge a single rupee also, and if it is local, our person personally comes and hand over the product. If you want to buy directly from our website address is www.krishnapulse.com. Once again I am repeating, www.krishnapulse.com. You will get plenty of collections of pearls with gold combination and silver combination, and you can pay by through online also. So we will see each and every product clearly. This is the first set, beautiful set, double brooch. 2 sides of brooch is there. Looks like diamond and ruby combination, but these are color stones, red color stones and C-jets. And back side we are provided the dory also. So it is very easy to adjust according to the neck length and dress code. See, we are provided a very beautiful dory also, quality dory we are used, and inside is total nylon silk thread, very strong thread. We use 2-3 rows in this. This is 4 rows. This beautiful set. See, in this highlight is the main brooches, 2 broad brooches, very beautiful. See the cut red stones and C-jets. See the glitters, very beautiful glitters. And again from here after brooch 5 rows are started. First 4 rows, then 5 rows. This is designed by our designers and made in our work unit only. This is a very skilled labor we have. Those are called as patwas. They will made in front of you only. You can see matching earrings also there. Exact matching, but little bit hanging we are given, because now hanging is going fashion, that's why. Generally we will give with studs, but most of the customers are asking small hangings, so we are giving the hangings. And this price is in silver and pearl combination, all the prices are fixed only. No breakup for this pearl silver. This is 17,000. 17,000 is the tag price of pearl stones total. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our WhatsApp number. Then we will give the very best discount also, because there is no gold in this. So we have more chance to give very better discount. But very reasonable price only, 17,000. You are getting a big set. If you want any changes in this, if you want blue color or green color, other shaded colors also we have available. In this, if you want add any beads, color beads or red stones, then they will do small customized, we will do in front of you only, just it takes half an hour time. So very beautiful piece. Please approach our team if anybody likes. In this so many designs also there, just 17,000. So second we will see So second we will see one more beautiful set, starts from 5 rows, and one side is just we are given the color stones, color beads. Here single brooch we are given, big CZ we are given, and red flowers and green design we are given. Very beautiful with earring combination also, multicolor one. It matches on all the dresses. This is fixed, we are given fixed with clip. If you want we will put the dory also, but some people are asking fixed length, that's why we are given the silver fancy clip. Inside is nylon silk thread. Just I will show you once clearly. See, beautiful milky white pearls, half round pearls, but very shining is very good, very finest quality pearls. So here from green and red color beads we are used for glittering. Then a beautiful brooch is there. In this the white stone is the highlighting one, white CZ. Then one side we are given the red and green stones, both sides. Here some in between some rice pearls also we are used. So some little bit design we are provided here, not plain. This is made by of our skilled labor workers. Custom. Those workers are called as patwas. They are made. If you want any customize in this, see the beautiful earrings with simple drop we are provided, red and green stones. On side highlighted, back side CZs, pushings. These are all with pushings are provided. Simple drop, milky white drop. See exact matching with the pendant, because we are provided hanging. Nowadays all are asking hangings, not studs, simple hangings. We will see the price of this. This price is also very reasonable, just 17,500. 17,500 you will get a beautiful brooch set with 5 rows, functional wear, very beautiful piece. If anybody likes, please take the snapshot and approach our team. If anybody misses our live program, then that is saved in IGTV in Instagram. Please see that program. So one more beautiful brooch sets, 2 brooches are there. In this also some design we are provided. At the ending, green, big green beads we are used, and small studs we are used, simple studs. Exact design of the brooch. Back side we are provided 3 rows, and here we are provided the dory. So it is useful for both ladies and gents. Anybody can wear, and for gents also dhoti functions or sherwanis for marriages, it looks very nice. Very long length you can also increase. I will show closely. Beautiful dory we are given, and then starts 3 rows. Inside is nylon silk thread, very strong thread. We are using 2-3 rows. These are not milky white pearls, little bit champagne color pearls, almost round ones. The color is very beautiful, little bit champagne color. And here starts the beautiful one, brooches. Green and white, always called as Nizam style. In Hyderabad style is called as. Most of the customers asks Nizam style jewelry, that is with emerald and pearls. This is just a green color stones, emerald color one. Very diamond shape brooches are there. And here we started the 7 rows. 7 rows after brooch. Very beautiful design, designed by of our designs and made by of our skilled workers called as patwas. If you want any changes, they will do in front of you only. If you want to add any beads, other pattern, they will do. If you want any clip instead of dory, they will do. And we will see the earrings also. These are beautiful studs, simple studs, not big ones, simple studs. If you want, you can keep a small drop pearl also in this. On your request, we will provide the small drop pearl also. Then it looks like hanging. Exact matching of the brooch. Beautiful. See the glitters of the white stones. and green color stone is also good clarity one. So we will see the weights and prices of this. This is also very reasonable price, just 17,500. Double broach 17,500. Starts with 3 rows and ends with 7 rows. And here is the green color stones with big pearls. Beautiful, just 17,500. And don't think this is the final price. If anybody likes, take the snapshot and approach our team. We will give very best deal because there is no gold in this. So we have more option to give very best deal. If you want any other color designs also in this available. In this you will get the blue and red also. So we will give very best deal. So next one more brooch set. Beautiful. This already you have seen. So, see one more beautiful choker with silver and CZ combination with milky white pearls and drop pearls also there. Inside is nylon silk thread. Simple, just looks like diamond choker. This is dory we are provided, so according to your neck length it is possible to adjust. In between the pearls for gripping purpose 2 putties we are provided, and that also CZs we are provided. The pendant is the highlight one in this. Beautiful crystal clear stones. Inside very strong nylon thread is provided. And all of our jewelry we are used in 92.5% pure sterling silver, and that we are provided the gold plating, not polished, gold plating. So it will the polish will remain more years. See, and this dory is also removable dory. Just we are provided the clips. It is possible to remove the dory and use in any other jewelry. Here we are provided 2 putties with CZs, then 3 rows champagne color pearls. Then 2 putties, broad square type putties we are provided, rectangle shape. Then is the pendant is the highlight. If you tell only, then anybody knows this is the CZs one. Otherwise, all are think these are diamonds, baguettes, diamonds and round shape. Beautiful. In middle, the big CZ is the beautiful one. See, it is here. It is giving so much glitters. How it is looking in the video I don't know, but it is looking very beautiful piece. And we are provided the earrings also for this. Earrings we are again provided hanging. See, exact matching, broad hangings, not small one, exact matching to the choker. Beautiful, it looks like completely diamond set like. And when see, pure 92.5% silver with gold plating and finest quality CZs. Just we will see the weights and price. Weight of this one. This is just very reasonable. Just 10,500 is the price, and that is also not final price. We will offer very best deal in this. Just 10,500 you will get a choker, beautiful choker, diamond like choker, CZ combination and earrings also. So hurry up, if anybody likes, please hurry up. In this you will get multicolors also, ruby, red color, green color, blue color, other patterns also you will get. But this is something special piece only with white stones, looks like diamond. So please take the snapshot and approach our team. So one more last piece is the beautiful choker. Most of the customers are asking from years onwards. We will want to same just putty type choker we want. Only pearls, no silver, no gold they want. So back side is dory and just putty. For kids also it looks very nice. For young girls, college going girls, it looks very beautiful. Total jolly work. These are made by of our skilled laborers, college patwas. Beautiful, very difficult work. It takes 7 to 10 days. See. See, total it looks like total rectangle shape putty like. Total jolly work. Inside is total nylon silk thread and a little bit oval shape pulse and half round pulse we are used. Ending we are provided a little bit design. Very difficult work this is. If you want any changes also, very difficult to do the changes in this. It takes 1 week time. So we will see we are provided the earrings also, and that earrings also multi-purpose use. So if you want to only stud, you can remove the hanging and use the stud, otherwise you can use stud and hanging. Sometimes you use this stud in any other earrings and hanging also in any other ones. Exact matching of the choker design. This is also made by of our workers. Beautiful choker. We will see the weights and prices of this. This price is 14,500 because very difficult work, so much workmanship is there. That's why just 14,500, very reasonable price. It takes 7 to 10 days to make this one, and grade this pulse quality is very difficult. So this is only one piece is left. If anybody likes, please approach our team, because if you want other place, if you place the other product order, then it is difficult, it takes time to make once again. All are champagne color, not milky white. Earrings also in champagne color hangings. Beautiful piece, just 14,500. So hoping you like today's episode. And I will tell about our branches. We have around 5 branches are there, and our first branch is in Old City near Charminar. We will get plenty of collections, of good collections in reasonable price. You will get the loose pulse also for marriages and some occasions. And second is the one of the beautiful and royal collection stories in Hotel Taj Krishna. If you have anybody have time, if you go in that area, please visit our store. You will get a good royal treatment, very reasonable prices in lightweight jewelry will get. And 2 more stores are available in HICC, Hyderabad International Convention Center, and beside that Hotel Novotel. Very fast moving products are present there, and in all of you know our Jubilee Hills Road number 36 is the main branch. In this ground floor and second floor is there. In the ground floor you will get the very finest collections of diamonds, plain gold and polki collections. Some marriages, especially the store is built for marriage occasions. And in the second floor you will get the all types of pulse jewelry. Example, South Sea pulse, Basra pulse, Akai pulse, Mikimoto pulse, freshwater pulse, KC pulse, all types of pulse you will get there with the combination of silver and gold. You will get the real stone collections also there, all 9 gemstones. And from last year onwards we have started the silver section in the second floor itself. We will take the small product also order up to big product. We will get the different products there, like dining tables, wall clocks, different products are there. All are made in 92.5% pure sterling silver. Once again I am telling our WhatsApp number is 92480-36721. 92480-36721. Our representatives are present, so please ask any queries. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity. Okay, signing out, Suman. Bye bye. Dhanyavad.